Alright, well, ignore the big red mark on my face. Happy Monday, everybody. It's been a really good, start of the week. Honestly, I don't know about you guys, but I'm very lucky because I get to go to school in person. So it feels really good to be surrounded by my friends and just, like work and do stuff like in person. It just feels much better. Eat together, like, those little things that you do at uni, it's just so much better. It's a huge difference between working from home slash, being in school. Anyway, so Saturday is a big meeting for me because we are doing something, we're starting a big project for Bon Sens. So I will let you guys know a little bit more about this. But yeah, I wanted to start organizing myself for that. So I thought I'll, vlog myself, working, have a little bit of a downtime by myself. But yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. It's boring. I'm also gonna organize my week and just write some stuff down. Let me show you my little planner. This is my new planner. I literally got it at Soulstring Green, as I was saying, where I get all my planners. It's super cute. Alright, so this was last week. This is how it looks like. So what's cool is that it has the week, month. Here I didn't write anything, but I feel like what happens during the morning, afternoon, and then the evening, which is really cool. I've been trying to organize myself and separate my task through the hours and stuff. So I just write like every subject that I have that day, if I have to do something like homework and stuff like that, if I need to post something, if I need to send something, etc. And then I write like my internship stuff I need to do, if I have like a night out, whatever, aka going to my friend's house for a little get together, some reminders here. This is something big that happened actually. And yeah, film videos, etc. I really like it, and it looks like that for the rest of the planner. Yeah, that's how I organize myself. Pretty much like for a new week. But I will definitely do a video, as I said, on how I organize myself, everything that I do, what I use, and stuff like that. So yeah, stay tuned for that. This face needs a whole glow up. Okay. I look really tired. Oh my god, even though yesterday I went to bed like super early, so anyway, today is a Thursday. It is currently 8:59. I just had breakfast, did my skincare, and now kind of had like a slowish morning. And yeah, So today is a work from home day. At 10:30 I have a call with my tutor. And yeah, that's just how it's gonna be. I don't really have much going on anyway because it's a work day. Tomorrow is the same from home. So yeah, I'll try to vlog here and there. But I thought I would get ready on camera with you all. Because why not? Just look how sad this is. So yesterday was our official last day of classes, which is actually really exciting. I'm really happy. We presented our final project to the jury. So yes, that was really cool. And we collaborated. I think I mentioned that we're working with another school on this project. Not much going on. Yes, it snowed. You can tell that I try to vlog my best because I was really excited about the snow. So, and plus it kind of stays, so that's really cool. Like usually, since it's like, you know, Paris, the snow doesn't settle for that long. Right, we don't. I'm trying to achieve. Okay, so this is my fit for today. This wool sweater dress is from Uniqlo. You guys have seen it in my last video actually. And since it's really cold today, this is the perfect fit. And I have glossy-ish tights under. Everything that's on my mind for today. Little impromptu. Last week I ordered a bucket hat for spring and summer and I just received it, so let's look at it. Unboxing. I ordered it on Zalando. I don't know if you guys know, from Mikey, but on Zalando. Ouais. Il est vert! Oh, je l'ai pris pour... Oui, c'est un baume! Je l'ai pris pour le printemps et l'été.
Oh my god, she's so beautiful.
Okay, I got the medium size because I wasn't pretty sure, but it really fits. Okay. Well, this vlog is generally sponsored by all my unboxings because I got my subscription box for February, which I didn't expect to arrive so fast. So this is how it looks like. And I thought I would show you guys the box and we'd unbox it together. So I just took it out of the package. We did a whole theme around like the moon and like, you know, the new moon, etc. So okay, dancing in the moonlight, everybody's feeling warm and light. I love this. This is, oh my god. Okay, so this is everything that's inside. Super cute. Alright, so first we have a Weleda Feeling Good shower. It is super cold. Oh my god. A lively ginger refreshes and awakens the senses. Stimulating scent to help you feel good in the shower. Oh my god, if you guys could just feel the bottle, it is fucking cool. Like, I love that. The bottle is so beautiful. We have some tarot cards. Oh my god, this is super cool. I have never tried tarot card. Yes, this is super cool. We're gonna get into astrology. Then we have this inside. I have no idea what that is exactly. Packaging is super cute. Oh my god! It's a necklace. Style magique. I don't know if you can see. It is so cute. Okay, so we have a highlighter. Oh, thank god, because I broke mine. It looks like that. In the shade Paint. Then comes Bitary powder. Okay, we have a little powder. And it is by the brand Bitary to go. Oh my god, look at this. It looks inside. Oh, this is super cool. Okay, and then inside there's a little paper on how to use it and everything. This is really cute. I'm definitely going to keep this and put like products inside, or like it's great when you travel and stuff like that. I love when brands like do that. Inside we have this super cute packaging. It's little plates. Oh my god, shut up. I have literally the same but in wood. So cute. And then this is like a full moon, I'm guessing, or like the moon. Oh my god, this is so cute. And it's so funny because I just broke one of my plates last week. So I have a new, oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, so they put a clue for the next box, which is in March. And then there was this little bow. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's really cute. By the way, I was on calls this morning, so that's why I wasn't really vlogging. But yeah, by the way, this is from Primark, and my pants are from Abercrombie. It was a Christmas gift. Yeah,